This factory makes over 10 million Oreos every single day. And what happens inside might surprise you.
But inside massive factories, millions are produced every single day.
At speeds the human hand could never match.
It begins with carefully measured ingredients. Flour forms the structural base. Cocoa creates that unmistakable dark chocolate color. Sugar balances bitterness with sweetness. Then, powerful mixers bring it all together.
If you enjoy factory documentaries, subscribe for more.
Within minutes, dough begins to take shape. The dough is rolled into a continuous sheet. Thickness must be exact. Every surface detail is precisely engraved.
Nothing is wasted.
Then comes the heat. Inside massive tunnel ovens, transformation begins.
Moist dough becomes crisp chocolate wafers.
Perfectly baked every time.
Cooling stabilizes structure before filling.
While the wafers cool, the cream is engineered separately.
Sugar and plant-based fats combine into a smooth filling. High-speed whipping introduces air, creating that signature light texture. Every batch is tested for exact consistency.
The finished cream moves through sealed food-grade pipelines.
This is where the transformation happens. Each cookie receives the exact same measured dollop. The iconic swirl is created in less than a second. Then another wafer seals the sandwich. Controlled pressure spreads the filling evenly to the edge. A flawless cross-section. Every time. Now fully assembled, production accelerates. The cookies are grouped for packaging.
Stacked in perfect alignment.
Each stack is gently transferred into trays.
Production doesn't slow down here, it multiplies.
Each pack is checked to ensure freshness is locked inside. Even weight consistency is verified at high speed.
Next comes large-scale boxing.
Robotic pushers load cartons in seconds.
Cartons are sealed for transport durability.
Shipping codes track every box worldwide.
Automation handles thousands of boxes per hour.
If you enjoy factory documentaries, subscribe for more.
Layer by layer, the stack grows.
Stretch film secures everything for long journeys. From the line to logistics.
Warehouses hold millions at a time.
Ready for nationwide distribution.
From factory floors to store shelves.
A network of logistics keeps supply constant.
Then finally, local inventory. Placed within reach.
And that's where engineering meets everyday life.
The journey ends with a simple tear.
After miles of conveyor belts, it comes down to this. One perfectly engineered sandwich.
A ritual known around the world.
The cream separates exactly as designed.
Balanced, precise, consistent.
But the experience isn't complete yet.
For many, this is the moment that matters.
Texture transforms in seconds. Crisp meets cream, engineered harmony. Moments shared across generations. While families enjoy them, production continues. A cycle that rarely stops. Simple ingredients, elevated by precision engineering. Billions of cookies, countless memories.
From flour and cocoa to one iconic twist. This is how America's favorite chocolate sandwich cookie is made inside massive factories.